Good morning, students. That day we learnt to draw angles using compass of 60 degree and 30 degree. Today we are going to learn to construct a 120 degree using a compass. So take the scale, take pencil, draw the base of the angle. Give an arrow mark here at this point. Take a compass, take any measure. It is not necessary that you have to take, you can take big or small also. See that your compass is tight and it doesn't shake when you are constructing. Now keep this pointer on this point and draw a big arc. This is the arc. See that when you draw the arc, double lining should not come. Now take with the same measure. Don't move the compass. Keep on this point. Cut the arc. This will give you 60 degree. This at this point it is 60 degree. Now keep on this point again and draw another arc. This will give you 60 plus 60, 120. So draw this. Now keep the pencil on this point and adjust the with this arc intersection point. This will give you 120 degree. This is of angle 120 degree. You can name the angle. I'll name it as A, B, C. So measure of angle ABC is equal to 120 degree. When you write the name at the vertex, this is the vertex of the angle. This vertex, what name you have given B, that should be in the middle. This is the way to write the name of the angle, or you can write it as CBA, opposite way. Both the ways we can write, or you can write CBA, or you can name only angle B equal to 120 degree. This is over. Now we are going to learn how to draw 90 degree angle with the same method using the compass. So again it is the same method you have to follow. Draw the base of the angle. Put the arrow mark here. Take the compass with any measure. Keep on this pointer and then draw a big arc as we have done here in this angle. Same manner, same method. Double arc should not come. Single arc, pencil must be sharp enough. Now keep on this pointer. Don't shake the measure of the compass when you cut the arc. So keep on this pointer. On this point, cut the arc. This is of 60 degree. Always one arc will give you 60 degree, and this is of 120 degree. but we want a 90 degree. So you have to bisect this part. So for that you can use more than half. Here keep on this point, draw an arc. Now don't shake the measure, keep on this point and cut the previous arc. Now this you have got the bisection. So this point and this point, join it, adjust it and draw the arm. This is the angle of 90 degree. This is for 90 degree. We give a square mark like this way. If you don't write the measure also no problem, but this should be a square marking. Now I'll name this angle as PQR. So measure of angle PQR is equal to 90 degree, or measure of angle RQP is equal to 90 degree, or we can name it as measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree, in this way. So next, now we are going to draw 45 degree with the same method using compass. For this again, first you will have to draw 90 degree angle as we have previously drawn this 90 degree angle. Same way 90 degree angle we have to draw and then bisect this, you will get a 45 degree. So for this, draw the base of the angle. Your line should be in between the two lines of your notebook. Now take the compass, take any measure and keep here on this pointer and draw a big arc. Now keep on this point. This is our 60 degree. Then keep on this and draw this. This is 120 degree. Now we want first 90 degree. So from this point to this point, bisect it. Take then now don't shake it. Keep on this point and this. We have got the 90 degree angle first. Draw first 90 degree angle. Adjust it. This is of 90 degree. Now do the bisection of this angle. You already have learnt a bisection. Now already arc is there, no need to draw arc. From this point to this point you can take more than half. Keep on this point, it is more than half. So draw the arc. Now don't shake it. Keep on this point and cut the arc. We have got the bisection, and now draw, keep pencil point here and this point here. adjust it and draw the angle. You will get this is each of 45 degree. This is also 45, this is also 45. So I will name it as X, Y, Z because I want to draw angle of 45 degree only. So I have named only this angle. So measure of angle X, Y, Z is equal to 45 degree, or measure of angle Z, Y, X equal to 45 degree, or measure of angle only Y is equal to 45 degree. Now next we will draw fourth one. We will draw 180 degree. We already did our 120 degree. Now 180 degree. 180. For that, again take the scale. Now take the compass, draw the arc keeping on this point. Draw big arc up to here because 180 degree is a straight angle. This is over. Now keep on this point. This is of 60 degree. Then keep on this point again. This is of 120 degree. Again keep on this. And draw the third arc. So this is 60, 120, 120 plus 60 is 180. So now take the scale and adjust with this point and this point. This is of 180 degree. You have got a straight line. See. So I'll name this as angle A, B, C. So measure of angle A, B, C is equal to 180 degree, or measure of angle CBA is equal to 180 degree, or measure of angle only B is equal to 180 degree.